What if computers could think in infinite possibilities, not just ones and zeros? That's what quantum computing is all about. Let's start simple. Traditional computers use bits, which can be either 0 or 1. But quantum computers, they use qubits, and these are a game changer. A qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at once. This is called superposition. It's like spinning a coin. You can't say if it's heads or tails until it lands. While spinning, it's a mix of both. But it doesn't stop there. Qubits can also be entangled, which means two qubits can be linked, even across distance. If you change one, the other changes instantly. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. So why does this matter? Because quantum computers can process massive amounts of data in parallel. Where a regular computer tries one solution at a time, a quantum computer can test millions all at once. This could revolutionize industries, faster drug discovery, ultra-secure communication, breakthroughs in AI. But here's the catch. Quantum computers are incredibly delicate. A tiny disturbance, like heat or noise, can mess up calculations. That's why most quantum computers are kept in super cold labs, close to absolute zero. We're still in the early stages, but big players like Google, IBM, and startups are racing ahead. In 2019, Google claimed quantum supremacy, solving a problem a regular computer couldn't handle in any reasonable time. So, to wrap it up, quantum computing isn't just faster computers. It's a totally different way of thinking. It could reshape everything from medicine to finance to cybersecurity. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Now's the time to start learning.